The Burden of Glory, a devotional for the season of Lent, produced by Northside Church. Saturday, March 28th.
For Saturdays during the season of Lent, we invite all of us to spend some time reflecting on the material we've covered during the week and to do something with our hands and feet to put it into practice. Jesus called us to care for the sick. Take a moment and reflect on those who are sick in your life. Are there sick people in your neighborhood, in your community, in your city? Do you pass anybody on a daily or weekly basis that may be sick? What would it take for you to reach out and begin building a relationship with these folks? What will you do next? You'll find some resources and a path forward for you and for us as Northside Church in the appendix of the printed devotional as well as in the daily emails. Take a look and make a decision of how you will bear the burden of God's glory this week.